All right, let's unbox something game-changing for your workflow. Here's Documentero, document automation and generation made easy. Look at this clean interface, super modern, super intuitive. First impressions? It feels like a productivity powerhouse. Let's dive in and see what it can really do. Documentero lets you automate document creation instantly. We're talking Word, Excel, and PDF formats, all supported. You can generate docs from your own custom templates. I love that it works with APIs, forms, and spreadsheets. No more manual copy-pasting or repetitive formatting. Let's try generating a document from a template. Just upload your template, connect your data source, hit generate. Boom, your doc is ready in seconds. I'm honestly impressed by the speed and accuracy here. The integration options are a huge plus for developers. You can plug Documentero into your existing workflows easily. API support means endless automation possibilities. Business professionals will love the time savings. Administrative teams can finally ditch boring manual tasks. The form builder is intuitive, no coding skills needed. You can collect data and generate docs in one step. Spreadsheet integration is perfect for bulk document creation. Imagine generating hundreds of contracts in minutes. I tested it with Excel, results were flawless every time. PDF output looks professional, no formatting glitches. Word documents maintain all your custom styling. Security, your data stays private and protected. Let's talk about the learning curve. It's minimal. Even if you're not tech-savvy, setup is straightforward, support documentation is clear and super helpful. If you value efficiency, this tool is a must-try. For developers, the API documentation is detailed and robust. I integrated it into my app in under an hour. Real talk, this will save you hours every week. I recommend Documentero for any business professional. Developers and admin teams, this is your new best friend. If you're still creating docs manually, it's time to upgrade. Just a heads up, make sure your templates are well designed. Otherwise, your output might need some tweaks. Overall, Documentero is a solid investment. Ready to automate your workflow? Grab the best deal for Documentero on AppSumo today.